Repairing a leaky faucet can often be a straightforward task. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. Tools: you'll need adjustable wrench, flathead, and Phillips screwdrivers. Replacement parts such as washers, O-rings, or cartridges, depending on the faucet type. Plumber's tape, optional, and a cloth or towel to protect surfaces. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shutoff valves, typically under the sink. Turn the valves clockwise to shut off the water. If you can't find them, you may need to turn off the main water supply to the house. Turn on the faucet and let it run for a few seconds to release any water still in the pipes. Step 2. Plug the drain. Use a cloth or a sink plug to block the drain. This will prevent any small parts from falling into the drain during the repair. Step 3. Identify the type of faucet. The most common types are compression faucets with 2 handles, hot and cold, typically with a washer to stop the leak. Ball faucets with a single handle and a ball bearing mechanism. Cartridge faucets with single or dual handles, using a cartridge instead of a ball or compression valve. And ceramic disc faucets, which are modern faucets with a smooth flat handle and ceramic discs. Step 4. Disassemble the faucet. Remove the handle, typically by unscrewing it, which may be held by a set screw. Use a screwdriver or Allen wrench, depending on the type of screw. Remove any decorative covers or knobs to expose the internal components. Then take off the valve stem or cartridge, which may require using an adjustable wrench. Carefully remove the component, noting the way it's installed, as you'll need to replace it with a matching part. Step 5. Inspect the parts. Check the washers or O-rings, as these are the most common culprits for leaks. Look for signs of wear or damage, such as cracks, brittleness, or missing pieces. Inspect the valve stem or cartridge, and if it's worn or damaged, it should be replaced. Clean any debris with a cloth. Step 6. Replace damaged parts. If you found any damaged parts, replace them with new ones of the same type and size. You can usually purchase replacement parts at a hardware store. If you're unsure, take the old parts with you for comparison. Apply plumber's tape to any threaded connections if necessary, ensuring a good seal. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Reverse the disassembly steps. Reinstall the valve stem or cartridge, then the handle and any decorative covers. Ensure all parts are tightly secured. Step 8. Turn the water supply back on. Slowly open the shutoff valves and check for any leaks. Turn the faucet handle on and off to ensure it operates smoothly. Step 9. Test for leaks. If the faucet still leaks, you may need to disassemble and check if all the parts were installed correctly, or if something else needs replacing. Step 10. Clean up. Remove any tools, rags, or parts from the area. If the faucet is working properly, you're done. If you're still having trouble after these steps, it might be worth consulting a plumber for a more detailed diagnosis, as the problem could be more complex. Please remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any content suggestions in the comments section.